just been a wonder, as in, and quite frankly, we weren't sure of our assets.
Get back to one of some of the best racing in the world.
Yeah, chill on the beach.
He's so hyper. Jake was going to take it. This place has so many options.
Yeah, awesome day at Southwick. Moto 1, I was able to make quite a few passes early in the race, get to the front. Yeah, that was it for Moto 1. Moto 2, I got a much better start. Gosh, here you just have to be gritty, and definitely the hardest track of the year physically. So a pretty special day for us to go 1-1. I'm proud of the team. We made some small adjustments in practice to get everything dialed in, and paid off.
First moto, kind of worked from the back and had a few mishaps, but caught back up to 8th, and then the second moto was great. Got a good start and made a quick pass for second, and tried to make a pass a couple times, but couldn't get it done, and rode it in and went 8-2 for 4th, so I'm happy.
Yeah, better day for sure, back on the podium. Yeah, we just gotta keep working. It shows that the team has, made some progress, and definitely had a solid weekend, but just we need a little bit more, so we're gonna keep searching and not take any big changes, but keep trying to fix the things that I can.
You break that line here, you're doing something.